making cloud bread. Cloud bread is a non-flour based bread-like thing that's made basically from eggs. So what are you doing? Get down. I'm gonna open this. And I'm just putting the little yellow guy back and forward and just dropping the slime. Okay. We've separated the yolks, the whites, the extra things you need, some sea salt, and I've got some Greek yogurt. We're gonna start whisking up the egg whites using this machine. And now we'll add a little bit of sea salt, maybe. Because what we don't want to do is, we don't want to whisk it in. Get your temperature of your oven to about 300 degrees. Can you see them? Down, down, down. Chop down the bread. Drop them in. Or two.
Thank you.
A cool little sandwich isn't using normal bread.